So good evening to everyone. Today our group want to present about the retaining wall. So first of all, our group have me, Jiawei, Zhao Zhang, Darren, Chongzhen, and Xingyi. So now I want to talk about the retaining wall. There in the world have many types of the retaining wall. First have gravity wall, reinforced soil wall, and hybrid system. So next I want to pass to Zhao Zhang to explain the term of Gabian's wall. Thank you.
So I will be explaining about Gabian's wall. Gabian's wall is one of the gravity walls, and Gabian's is come from the Italian words Gabians, which means cages. Gabian's wall are constructed by filling broken stone into a large mesh wire basket or cage. The advantages of Gabian's wall is durability. It is durable and weather resistant, so it can be long lasting. The second advantages is aesthetic. It provides aesthetic appearance with combination of nature stone that fits to environment. It also provides various shape and size and design of basket and stone. The third advantage is water permeability. Water it is a free draining wall, so the water can be passed through the retaining wall, and it provides rapid and automatic drainage. Next is about the application. The first application is road construction. It can construct beside the highway, and the second application is retaining wall structures. Third is river and canal bank. Fourth is dam and reservoir walls. Then I will pass the presentation to my friends. Thank you.
Now I will talk about the creep wall. The creep wall is a type of retaining wall composed of interlocking rectangular or square sections stacked to form a barrier. And these creeps are frequently filled with soil or other materials and used to prevent the erosion or to maintain the elevation changes. And the first advantage is the stability. The creep wall provides stability when challenging the terrain or where retaining walls are necessary to prevent the soil erosion. And the second advantage is versatility. The creep walls are versatile and can be adapted to various site conditions and shapes. It's suitable for many applications. And the last advantage is cost-effective. The creep walls is cheaper than other types of retaining walls as they require less concrete or other expensive materials. Next is the application. And the creep wall can use for the retaining wall structure, landscaping, or the infrastructure projects such as the highway or bridge. Now I will pass the time to Chongzhen to continue slide.
Next, I'm going to explain the T-wall retaining wall system. It is a type of structure used to support soil or other material and prevent erosion or collapse. The T-wall retaining wall system is named from its shape, which resembles the letter T when viewed in cross-section. The T-wall is made out of precast concrete panels that interlock to create a T when viewed from the side. These panels are generally uniform in size and are designed to fit together seamlessly. The installation process involves placing this precast concrete panel vertically into a trench or onto a foundation. It ensures that they are interlocked securely. Typically, the panels are put side by side to make a continuous wall. And the T-wall system provides stability and support by distributing the pressure from the retained soil or material. It resists the lateral pressure exerted by the soil behind it, preventing it from collapsing or sliding. So how does the T-wall retaining wall system can be applied? It is usually utilized in retaining wall for highways, bridge, train, and other infrastructure projects. They are appropriate for both temporary and permanent buildings and are selected for their low cost and ease of installation. There are some advantages of the T-wall system, including its modular construction, which allow for quick installation and scalability. It is also durable, require minimal maintenance, and offer a visually uniform appearance due to its standardized panel design. And the last point I want to mention is the consideration. To guarantee that the T-wall can withstand the specific soil pressure and environmental condition at the site, proper engineering study and design are required. Drainage considerations are also critical in order to avoid water buildup behind the wall, which may compromise its structural stability. So now I will pass my time to Darren to present.
I will talk about the arrangement of the facing panel, reinforcing, tendons, and anchor block. So the facing panels are like a hexagonal shape and made from precast concrete grade 30. As you can see from the drawing, the horizontal joints between the panels are inserted with a compressible material to allow for vertical movement. So for the reinforcing tendons, it is made of carbon steel rods. The advantage of it is like more durable against corrosion, especially in the view of reduced surface area exposed. Next, I will talk about the anchor blocks. It is a discrete precast concrete blocks that act as a dead man. So basically, like a hole is performed in the center of the block to enable tendon to pass through, thereby connected with nut and washer. So the advantages of this is that it enhances the pull of resistance of the reinforcing tendon. Thank you. That's all for our team.